Hi friends! In this video, I'm taking you on the best day trip from Chiang Mai to Doi Inthanon, the tallest mountain in Thailand. From stunning waterfalls and jungle trails to the famous twin pagodas and the peak that rises above the clouds. This is a must-visit destination if you're exploring northern Thailand. So, let me take you along and show you how the day usually begins. We usually start our day early from Chiang Mai City to avoid the traffic and the crowd. By 8:30, we arrive at Doi Inthanon, get the tickets, and hop to the first waterfall. The name of this waterfall is Wachiratan, literally means the thunderbolt cascade. The best part of arriving early is that you have the whole place just for yourself. And if you're lucky enough, you will encounter the beautiful rainbow like we did. After wandering around and enjoying the view, it's a breakfast time. We usually hop to the local restaurants nearby there and take our khao tom, which is rice porridge, to start our day. We add also boiled eggs or kai tom for the extra protein kick. You can also grab a cup of coffee or a tea from a nearby cafe. After that, we make our way to the first stop of the day, Siew Trail. When you arrive at the starting point of the trail, you will need to get yourself registered and request for the local guide. It's actually mandatory since they want to support the local community by giving them the jobs. They will also make sure that you stay safe on the track. This trail itself is point to point, about 4 kilometers long. It usually takes around an hour and a half to finish. We will be hiking with the guides from the current tribe. Along the way, the guide will be sharing the knowledge that they've learned from generation to generation. And yes, the highlight of this hike is the green pit viper snake. We were so lucky that day to spot 3 of these snakes. At the end of the hike, you will pass by a weaving spot where the hill tribe villagers make beautiful hand-woven products. Right after that, you'll also get to visit the local coffee roasting area. Here, you can try freshly roasted Arabica grown right there in the village. After all the morning activities, it's finally time for lunch. Next, we make our way to the Twin Pagodas. You will park at the main lots, buy a ticket for 150 baht, and then hop on the shuttle bus that takes you up and back. These pagodas were built by Thai Air Force to celebrate the 60th birthdays of King Rama IX and Queen Sirikit. When you're up there, the gardens are beautiful year-round. Sometimes, the view is hidden by the cloud, but if you're lucky with the weather, you will catch a stunning view of the endless mountains. From there, it's just a short 10-minute drive up to the very peak of Doi Inthanon. On the way to the top, we hop to Angka Nature Trail. It's a short wooden canopy walk, winding through mossy evergreen forest. The moment you step in, you can feel the difference. The temperature drops, the air smells fresher, and the forest feels like a fairy tale. It only takes about 20 minutes to complete the whole circle, and it was a real pleasure. Just across the street from Angka, there is the highest point of Thailand, standing at 2,565 meters above the sea level. There is also a memorial here holding the ashes of the last king from Lana Kingdom, who dedicated his life to protecting these forests. Another highlight of Doi Inthanon is the Kew Mae Pan Trail. This trail sits at the highest altitude in Thailand. The best time for this trail is during the winter months when the air feels crispy and the views is opened. On the clear days, you will see the sea of mist rolling over the mountain, and that's absolutely breathtaking. But Kew Mae Pan isn't open all the year, just only during the dry season from 1st November to 31st of May. So we usually hop to Piang village instead. The village is about 45 minutes by drive from the top of Doi Inthanon. And trust me, it's worth every minute. The village is covered with the endless rice terraces. There are little wooden homestays scattered around the hills. They're super simple, made from natural materials, but they're cozy and have that authentic countryside charm. Most of the hosts don't really speak English, but you'll get by, and the views make up for everything. The best time to come is August through October, when the fields are green and full of life. By early November, the harvest begins and the rice turns golden color. It's stunning in a completely different way. Winter is also a great time to visit. The skies are crystal clear, and if you're lucky, you'll catch the Milky Way at night. It's truly one of the most beautiful rice terrace views in all of Thailand. Once you see it, you will know why. The next morning after breakfast, we head to Mae Pan Waterfall, which is on the way back to the city. The hike to the waterfall is about 1.5 kilometers to 2 kilometers. It's short, but incredibly scenic. The trail is full of variety, from climbing over rocks to crossing small streams, making every step interesting. And when we reach to the waterfall, it's a perfect spot to relax. During winter or dry season, you can even take a refreshing plunge. And that's a wrap on our Doi Inthanon journey. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to support my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.